Does an alarm system reduce home insurance? Homes are always considered as the most important financial assets of all people. People always want to keep their home secure from all dangers. So they always take good care of their home. For these homeowners, having home insurance is must. But if because of high premium you could not take a policy for your home, then cheap home insurance may solve the problem of taking home insurance to everyone. Cheap home insurance cover includes damage from lightning and earthquake subsidence and ground heave, as well as fire and explosion. Cheap home insurance also provides a wide range of coverage. Cheap home insurance gives coverage in situations of any mishaps like flood, fire, and earthquake. Statistics also show that mostly people do not buy a home insurance because they think that the rate of premium will be very high, and so it may create some sort of financial burden on them. Many insurance companies have emerged which are providing home insurance at cheap rate in the recent past. Because of the presence of many insurance companies now, companies offer home insurance at a cheap and affordable price. Cheap home insurance is given by insurance companies depending upon the safety measure of home. Hence, for availing cheap home insurance, you need to fit better locks to your doors, install anti-thief alarms, purchase fire extinguisher, and arrange for other fire precautions. Apart from that, good maintenance of your home should also be done at some gap of time. All these will help you to lower the rate of premium, and you can avail cheap home insurance. Apart from that, you should also take certain things into consideration, like you should think of your own efforts to lower the rate of premium by paying higher deductible at the time of taking policy of cheap home insurance. You can search about various quotes of cheap home insurance available in the market. You can do it conveniently by having access to the internet. All information related to cheap home insurance is available on the websites of various insurance companies. Online search of quotes of cheap home insurance will help you in not only saving your time but also help you in making a better decision. Online you will find a number of quotes of cheap home insurance given by different insurance companies. Then you can easily compare and select the right cheap insurance policy for yourself.